What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just doing a little makeup look. The palette I'll be using today is the Glow Up Academy Varsity palette, which I absolutely love. Colors are really pigmented, buttery, minimal fallout. I only used like 3 or 4 colors, but out of those 3 or 4, they were really good. I definitely will be creating more looks with this palette. I think it's a good overall palette. Like, it has color, it has neutral, it has glitters, pressed pigment. So yeah, I definitely will be creating more looks with this. So yeah, I'm just gonna let y'all watch me do my eyes and my face, and then I'll come back for the hair portion.
Lately I just wanna run it up. Kinda check or something. I've been really in the field, let up, I've been really in the field, let her rush, I let her feel. Lately I just wanna run it up. Don't need no deals, I make the deal. Half a ticket to a meal. Lately I just wanna run it up. Kinda check or something. Lately I just wanna run it up. Count that too, count it up, count it up. Lately I just wanna run it up. Need them ones, I need them fives, need them tens, I need that change. To the safe, got blues inside. Greens and pinks, it's all the same. I still save and roll my change. Take some losses when I play.
So these are my lashes in the style Girls Night Out. They will be dropping this Friday, June 4th. So if you're not subscribed on our website, then you need to be subscribed so you'll know when new products drop. And also we'll leave my website in the description box. And yeah, let's continue with the video.
Search for the one, but baby girl, it's nothing real as this. Can't trust her soul, I keep her hammer, call it too legit. I've been really in the field, let her rush, I let her feel. Lately I just wanna run it up. Don't need no deals, I make the deal. Half a ticket to a meal. Lately I just wanna run it up. Kinda check or something. Lately I just wanna run it up. Count that too, count it up, count it up. Lately I just wanna run it up. I just be off the dome. I never own no chrome. Too many foes and clones. I be at home alone. I be in zones alone. I be on road alone. I've been really in the field. Let her rush, I let her feel. Lately I just wanna run it up. Don't need no deals, I make the deal. Half a ticket to a meal. Lately I just wanna run it up. Kinda check or something. Lately I just wanna run it up. Count that too, count it up, count it up. Lately I just wanna run it up. Lately I just wanna run it up. Lately I just wanna run it up. NY to LA with it. NY to LA with it. I like getting money, I got time to get it. Target on me, so my car's a tinted. Dancing with the devil, I don't bargain with it. Bobbing in the dash, and the stick is with it. And I hit the 4-5 on the west side. But I'm from the east side, this how we slide. This how we ride, this how we ride. Going pro, no lead. Make it easy like 1, 2, 3. Go, on 3, 2, 1. I fly till you can't see me. Swish, ballin'. From the first whistle, we go all in. And one, call it. Numbers up and never falling. Feel like I hit the lottery, I'm proud of me, No one baby proud of me, so I throw pride away. She know I stuck to the plan and I stayed out the way. Now we're spending no money, never touching the bank. Just from me the game and I'ma get it done. Don't do it for fame, do it for the ones. Ace with cigar, my damage my lungs. Wife, you want to drive, she get what she want. I like getting money, I got time to get it. Target on me, so my car's a tinted. Dancing with the devil, I don't bargain with it. Bobbing in the dash, and the stick is with it. And I hit the 4-5 on the west side. But I'm from the east side, this how we slide. This how we ride, this how we ride. Going pro, no lead. Make it easy like 1, 2, 3. Go, on 3, 2, 1. I fly till you can't see me. Swish, ballin'. From the first whistle, we go all in. And one, call it. Numbers up and never falling. My baby called me and said she need to stay. Be for real, 25 they other type of kid. Stop playing with me, you know that you here to stay. Stop playing with me, I'll be back home in the 8. Know I'm on the go, but I'm not over you. Made you fall from home, but I'm so close to you. Gotta get that back like I'm supposed to do. Had to rush that re-up cause I'm overdue. I like getting money, I got time to get it. Target on me, so my car's a tinted. Dancing with the devil, I don't bargain with it. Bobbing in the dash and the stick is with it. And I hit the 4-5 on the west side, but I'm from the east side. This how we slide, this how we ride, yeah, yeah, this how we ride.
I'm trying to touch the States this time. 2021. Gotta show him I can still rap though.
Now I'm in the game, I was on the bench. First I was renting, now I'm collecting rent. First it with the Beamer, now I want the Benz. Spending all the back like here I go again. Outside says the chirp, now the camera phone. Told you I'ma make, keep the channels on. Why you acting different when the camera's on? Why you acting different like your paper long? 8-day wake up and I thank God. Bad decision got you wishing you could say nah. My city gritty, you could get hit any day now. On my mama, I'ma move my family way out. With some 20s, 50s, hundreds, thousands, millions, billions, trillions, zillions. I'm talking Amazon money, talking so much money I could mess around and buy Amazon. I been winning, I'm like, why me? I heard these labels wanna buy me. I don't need you, boo, I style me. I roll G's and they grind me. Now I'm on my game, nothing is the same. Who am I to blame? Money made me change. Cardi in my ring when I'm switching lanes. Money in the carry on them Boeing planes. Money in the carry on them Boeing planes. Now I got a buck for all those rainy days. Ain't have a day off in like 80 days. I got hustles in like 80 ways. Kids if he won't take a lazy day. Wifey on me told me take a break. I keep going to the paper street. Then it's trips out to Montego Bay. If I take the job, bet I get it done. I said it before, I'm a 101. I just caught some ones, only wearing ones. Fornicate the funds, money made me calm. Diamonds on your neck, bet they on your neck. You want that watch, you better rock a tech. You want that chain, you better cop a vest. You want the check, but can you make it stretch? I ran up a check, I might do it again. Enemies close, had me thinking they're friends. 10 toes down, I'll be free until the end. Crib outside the city, I don't feel safe in my hands.
So for my lips, I'm using my lip gloss in the color 1988 and Barbie, which are now available on my website.
If I do it once, I do it again. Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up. I'm just doing me, everything is on me. Oh, you matter what? Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up. I'm just doing me, everything is on me. Oh, you matter what? Add it up. Told her if it's all me, everything is on me. Gon' back it up. Matter what? Told you I'ma do me. Why you hating on me? It's not adding up. I do roll like a Mack truck. Country heart, I might cop a farm and go act up. Lot of scars, I was cold-hearted, now I'm backed up. Keep it real, I do this once a month. I don't rap much.
Alright, let's get into this hair. So this is a 24-inch body wave, headband wig from Beauty Forever. I washed and curled it. Didn't have a smell or anything, and it came with some additional headbands, which I'll be using one in this video. And also it came with combs, but I took those out because I don't have combs in my wigs. So I just cut those out. And yeah, I'm just installing it. It was really easy.
Everything is on me, oh you matter what? Told her if it's all me, everything is on me. Gon' back it up. Matter what? Told you I'ma do me. Why you hating on me? It's not adding up. Told her if it's all me, everything is on me. Gon' back it up. Matter what? Told you I'ma do me.
One thing I do like about headband wigs, they're easy to install or throw them on and go. Especially if you're in a rush or you got somewhere to be, you don't feel like installing like a frontal or a closure or gluing anything down.
NY to LA with it. NY to LA with it. I like getting money, I got time to get it. Target on me, so my car's a tinted. Dancing with the devil, I don't bargain with it. Bobbing in the dash and the stick is with it. And I hit the 4-5 on the west side. But I'm from the east side, this how we slide. This how we ride, yeah, yeah, this how we ride. Going pro, no lead. Make it easy like 1, 2, 3. Go, on 3, 2, 1.
So yeah, I would definitely recommend this wig. There was no shedding whatsoever even after I washed it. My fingers like didn't get stuck in the curls. Like, see, I'm coming in with my fingers, easy to comb through. Very soft, flowy hair. And I really love this color on me, so I might get like a full wig in this color. And also it shoots pretty fast, so
my car's a tenant. Dancing with the devil, I don't bargain with it. Bobbing in the dash and the stick is with it. And
I did get this wig on clearance, so if they still have available, I will leave it linked in the description box. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. Shop my website as well, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye.
Numbers up and never falling. My baby